Today I am checking out this outdoor security camera from HXView. It is dual band Wi-Fi enabled, has AI technology to where it can tell the difference between a human, an animal, or a vehicle. 4K sensor in it, night vision, IR, lights, pan, tilt, 10 times zoom, and everything's controlled by a user-friendly app. I'm going to install it to overview my backyard here so I can keep an eye on my kids while they're playing, make sure that nobody nefarious is running around, also to make sure that there's no animals that aren't supposed to be in my backyard back here. So let's get it installed and check out what all it does. I'm gonna install it on that corner there so it takes a view of the backyard. Let's see what's in this box. Has the mounting plate so it can be mounted against a wall or against a overhang like so. You have your instructions and pilot holes and some covers that you'll probably use on this. I'm gonna drop that down for now. Comes with a handy little screwdriver. Here's the power supply. That looks like a pretty long cord, longer than what I expected. And of course, the camera itself, like so. Let's get it installed. I just installed the app on my phone. You can see that I've got the camera already installed. That was pretty simple to install. It was just 4 simple screws and zip, 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 all done. Plug it in. I've got the intelligent tracking mode on the camera and it is following me. And it's doing a good job of following me. Let me walk way out here in the yard and see what it comes up with. See, it continues to zoom as I walk away. I see how much farther I can get. I'm pretty good ways away from it right now, probably about 30-ish yards away. That's some pretty awesome intelligent tracking going with this device, just tracking me as I walk through my yard. I think that's pretty stinking awesome. If I'm on my app and I actually want to see what else is going on in the yard, I can literally just swipe the camera the direction I want it to pan, and it will pan that direction. You can turn on the speaker and hear what's going on. You can actually turn on the microphone and you can talk through the app and it can hear you, which is pretty awesome. Here's what it looks like at nighttime doing the IR tracking. As you can see, it still identifies me as I walk around on my back patio and still tracks me. That's the HD Wi-Fi AI smart tracking outdoor camera from HXView.